Hi friends, let's see how we can make a glitch effect on our text. For this, I've put a text plus on the timeline above the footage, and now I'm going to effects, and in the effects I'm going to pick digital glitch, throw it on my text plus, and let's have a look how it looks. You can adjust the glitch width, height and chroma scale and then see if it's to your liking. And then we have another possibility to make a glitch effect. Therefore, I have put here the same footage, but now we go to effect. We don't take a text plus. We search for digital glitch. And here we stretch it out over our footage, and then we have two texts that we can put in there. That's the big text, that with a glitch effect, and a small text. I will just delete that one. So, and here it just creates this glitch effect. Let me know in the comments what do you like best. Thanks for watching this one and have a great day ahead. Goodbye.